bra is one of the hardest working essentials in our wardrobe. It's the foundation of everything we wear, but it goes through a lot of wear and tear itself. It lays against our skin, so there's constantly friction, dead skin cells, perspiration going on. Today I'm going to share with you the correct way to care for your bra, including the detergent you should use, how to launder and dry your bra, storing it to keep it looking and feeling better longer. Hi everybody, welcome to Sawdust and Cornbread. I'm Laura Lee. If this is your first time as a guest here on the channel today, be sure to like and subscribe. I try to put out new content every week. Any bra can be washed by hand to safely remove bodily oils and soil. Some bras must be washed only by hand. Be sure to check the fabric label on your bra before attempting to machine wash. If you throw your bra in the wash, place it in a zipped mesh laundry bag for extra protection. Close all the hooks and eyes on your bra. This way they don't unintentionally grab a hold of loose fabric and cause a pick. Also, those hooks and eyes are pretty easy to bend on certain bras. Fill your sink or tub with about a gallon of warm, not hot, water. Add a tablespoon or two of a gentle detergent formulated for hand washing delicates. Swish the water with your hand to incorporate the detergent. Slowly submerge your bra in the water and detergent mixture. You want to make sure that that is good and incorporated before you dunk your bra in there so that you don't have excessive detergent on the bra. Allow the bra to soak for a few minutes. A mistake that we make a lot of time when we're cleaning is we don't allow cleansers or detergents to do their job. As the bra sits in that warm water, it's going to break down soil, dead skin cells, oils, and any bodily secretions. So allow that to soak for a few minutes before you do anything else. Without twisting or wringing the bra at all, lift and press repeatedly in and out of the water, allowing the water and detergent mixture to flow through the fabric weave. You may not be able to see it with your naked eye, but in between the fabric there are little spaces, and you can force that water and detergent through those in order to get a good thorough clean. Drain the sink and thoroughly rinse the bra, allowing the water to flow through the fabric weave, removing any detergent residue. Never twist, wring, or squeeze the bra. You're just going to take your running water and allow that to run through the weave of the fabric. Rinse your bra with flowing, lukewarm water, being sure to spend more time rinsing the band area. Spread a clean bath towel on a hard surface and gently roll the bra in the towel. Apply light pressure to the towel-rolled bra to remove excess moisture. You don't have to make it a real tight burrito when you're rolling it up. Kind of gently and loosely roll it in there, making sure that the bra stays laid out flat as you do that. And then once it's all rolled up, just repeatedly, just kind of gently press on that on the hard surface through the towel. Just gently press and all of that excess moisture will get wicked into the towel. Unroll the bra and smooth any wrinkles with your hands. Make sure the cups are shaped correctly and hang or lay it flat to dry. Let's talk for a minute about drying bras correctly. You never want to machine dry any bra. You want to either lay them flat or hang them up to dry. Excessive heat from an electric dryer can weaken or even melt bra components and elastic. Don't hang a soaking wet bra up to dry by its straps. The extra weight from the water can cause the shoulder strap elastic to stretch and be misshaped. I've never had this issue when hanging a bra to dry after rolling it in a towel to remove the excess moisture. Another important point is choosing a detergent. Some detergents are too harsh for delicate undergarments. They can break down fibers on a microscopic level, causing bras to wear out more quickly. Be sure to use a detergent created for use on delicates. It should say it on the detergent bottle. This will help prolong the life of your bra and keep it looking and feeling new. And just a moment on storing our bras, which is also important. A common way of storing bras is to tuck one cup into the other and lay it in a drawer. While this saves storage space, it's really better to close the clasps and lay the bra flat. This helps maintain the bra shape and keeps the band from stretching. If you happen to choose to hang your bras, it's best to clip the body part of the bra to a clothes hanger rather than hanging it by the straps. The more bras you have, the less often you need to wash them. If you wear a bra for more than 2 consecutive days, the elastic doesn't have time to retighten. If you have a few quality bras on hand, you can rotate them. This means you only need to wash the bras every 3 to 4 days. If it's humid or hot outside, or you have been perspiring excessively, you need to wash your bras more often. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I try to put out content every week. Until next time, God bless.